Hi everybody, welcome to the Skin One Pro channel where we cuss and discuss all things Skin One Pro and skincare, all while enjoying some adult beverages. Welcome, I hope you enjoy it, but I am the CEO and founder of Skin One Pro. My name is Jessica and I'm here to just help you out, help you learn some things. We're going to chat about correctors and protectors. All right, let's get started. We are going to just chitty chat real quick about protectors and correctors. Okay, so there are certain ingredients that need to be used different times of the day. Okay, because like your heavy acid type of ingredients, so like your retinols, your glycolics, they are going to have to be used at night because what it's going to do is going to get your skin a little sensitized and you're going to be a little sensitive to the sun, meaning you could burn. And we don't want that because with every burn, your odds developing skin cancer double. So let's not do that. All right, so let's think about the ingredients that are protectors. Okay, protectors are what you put on in the AM, in the morning. Okay, because these are going to help protect your skin during the day. It's going to help keep the environment out of your skin. Going to help protect from sunlight. I mean, we all kind of know which product that's going to be. No, just because SPF is in your foundation does not mean that you are wearing SPF. I'm just saying. Okay. And that's a whole other video that we're going to get into later on. But anyway, so and this is why you also do your skin wand at night, because your skin actually is going to be a little bit on the sensitized side, and B, you are using correctors. So we want to make sure that what we are skin wanding into our skin gets deep, into the deeper layers of the skin. And to do that, we become sun sensitive, okay? And then also we do skin wand in your heavier acids at night, because that is when your skin is healing itself, right? We all know that. You know, one of the best practices for healthy skin, of course, is getting good rest, getting your good amount of sleep. I could totally sleep all day. You know what I mean? I've always been a sleeper. So at night, we are helping our skin to heal, right? Just from the day. At night is when your skin cells are just, they're, at their best because they are doing their job. Okay. I think I gave you a nice little rundown of some, reasoning behind correctors and protectors and why we skin wand at night instead of during the day. So go ahead, do the little subscribe-y thing, right? Like, follow, all of that stuff, and hopefully we'll catch you on the flip side. See y'all later. Bye.